Hello, boys and girls. This is Miss Laura, and today we will be going over one of our last poster methods for the year. So the problem that you had previously seen was the Carnival Problem here. Okay, so let's quickly read through it and just remind ourselves of the problem. Anna and Kate's elementary school is having a carnival this spring to raise money for new playground equipment. There will be 6 booths with different games for the students to play. The carnival booths are represented by these points. Point A, 26. Point B is 56. Point C, 73. Point D is 51. Point E, 21. Point F is 03. So as I read these word problems, I made a note to myself saying that these are the 6 booths at the carnival. Okay? These will be the 6 booths that will be at the carnival. Let's continue. Anna and Kate decide to plot these points on a grid. What could the plotted points look like? Anna decides to connect the points in order. Anna connects point F back to point A and discovers that a geometric figure is made from the connected points. What geometric figure does Anna see? Kate looks at the figure Anna makes and notices that other figures can be found by connecting other points within the figure A, B, C, D, E, F. What 2 shapes Kate could find? Show all your mathematical thinking. So now, I have to kind of pause for a minute because I'm like, okay, not only are they plotting the points, but they're also connecting each point, right? And Anna connects point F back to point A. So that means I have to connect the dots as I am plotting. So this is what I'm thinking as I was reading this word problem. Okay, so let's look at the S. What is this problem asking us? So it's asking us so far, where can I put this so you guys can see? I'm going to leave it here. Make sure you write this. Pause it right here. Okay, because for S, the problem is asking us, what could the plotted points look like? What geometric figure does Anna see? And what are 2 shapes Kate could find? Okay, so those are the 3 questions that they're asking us. Okay, so just pause and make sure you write this. So, what facts are needed? Okay, so we need to plot the points on the graph, so we need these points. We need to also connect the points. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. That's not the sticky. I apologize. So the points that are needed are right here. So this is all the information that we need in order to plot it on our grid. Okay, so I just copied this information that was here on my sticky. Now, what is my plan? So here's my plan. First, I'm going to plot the points on the graph or the grid, connect the points, identify what shape I see, and then find 2 other shapes. Okay? So let's get started on this problem here. So at any time that you need to pause the video, please pause the video. So I'm going to start by putting a 0 in my origin spot here. My origin is where 0 meets. And remember, boys and girls, this is a number line, okay? Think of this as a number line horizontally from left to right, and this is a number line vertically up and down, okay? So this is 0. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I could do 8 here, but I'll stop at 7. And now I'm going to number my number line upwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to stop there. Okay, before I continue, I need to name my number lines. So this number line that is horizontal is known as the X axis, and this is my Y axis. Okay, very important. Okay, so now I am ready to plot my points, and I go back to my, think about these numbers at the bottom as an elevator. So I'm going to elevator 2, and I'm going up 6 floors. So I plot that right there. I label this point A, okay? And I check it just to kind of let myself know that I'm done, okay? I'm going to continue plotting these points. So B is elevator 5 up to the 6th floor. Next is 7th elevator up to the 3rd floor. Make a point, make a plot, label that C. Next, I'm going to elevator 5, and I'm going up 1 floor. And that's going to be my D. Now I'm going to elevator 2, up 1 floor. And then here, no elevators. I guess I'm going to take the stairs up to the 3rd floor. And that's going to be my F. Okay, so I just plotted all my points on my graph. Done with that. Now my second step is that I need to connect my points. And if you watched the video that I included yesterday, you know that you have to connect the points in order. So I am going to look for A. And now I'm connecting A to B, right? Because it's so boys and girls, like I said, I am connecting my points in order, starting with A and all the way to F, and ending back at A. Alright, boys and girls, so after I make this shape, I can say that Anna sees a hexagon. Okay, boys and girls, so now I have to say to myself, what other shapes can Kate see? So I took my marker and I made 2 connecting points from A to E and B to D. So Kate sees a rectangle and a triangle. But then I said, what are other shapes that she can find? And I made a horizontal line from F to C, and that made a trapezoid and a square, 2 squares. So Kate can see a rectangle, a triangle, trapezoid, and a square.